Hello there. My name is Joanne R. Ibas, or you can call me Teacher Ann from the country of Smile, the Philippines, and I am certified TFL teacher. I have been sharing my enthusiasm in English for about a year now. I have experience teaching Japanese kids to teens. So if you want to improve your spoken English and speak like a native speaker, Teacher Ann is here guiding you to have an easy to understand English lesson. I'll be using colorful teaching materials for you to learn letters, phonics, words, grammar, pronunciation, and reading comprehension. My goal is for you to be confident in reading and speaking English and who can succeed in today's world. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join me in this exciting and fun English learning adventure. See ya! Bye bye!